This is part 18 for Mac and Linux users. So if you have a Windows machine, go ahead and skip this video. We're going to SSH into the server, which means we're going to make a connection from our local machine to the remote web server. So what we'll need is the IP address. So let's flip over to Vulture and click on the copy IP address button right here. So your IP address will obviously be different and unique to you. Let's go back over here. So what you need to do is open up a terminal. And then on the terminal, you're going to write SSH root at the IP address. So we're just going to paste it in there. And then we're just going to press enter. And it's going to ask us a question asking if we trust this host. And we've never logged on there before, so this is just a one-time thing. We're going to respond with yes. And then it's going to ask us to, for the password, of course. So we go back over here and just click on this button to copy the password. Go back over here and paste the password in and press enter. And you should now be connected to the remote web server. So all the commands here are on that are going to be run on that remote Ubuntu web server. Okay, so that's the process that you'll do every time you want to connect to it.